Changing your profile picture on Zoom is a simple process that can help personalize your account. Follow these steps to update your profile picture quickly. Step 1. Sign in. Open the Zoom application or website and sign into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access profile settings. Once logged in, navigate to the profile section from the left-hand menu. This is where you can view and edit your account information. Step 3. Edit profile picture. Look for the option to change your profile picture. Click on the current picture or the placeholder image to initiate the upload process. Step 4. Upload a new picture. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save the changes. Your updated profile picture should now be visible in your account. Now you are all set with a new profile picture on Zoom. Enjoy your personalized video conferencing experience.